We'll guide you through how to import car in Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To import a car into Unity, begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your computer. Type Blender into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. Select the Blender software from the search results to launch the program. After Blender opens, load the project that contains your car model. Once the project is visible, click on the car model to make sure it is highlighted and properly selected. Use the left mouse button when selecting the object so Blender recognizes the active model correctly. Next, move to the top left corner of the Blender window and click on the File menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over or click the Export option to open the Export Formats list. Choose Export as FBX because Unity supports the FBX format very well. In the Export Settings panel, find and enable the Selected Objects option. This setting ensures that only the selected car model will be included in the exported file instead of every object in the Blender scene. After adjusting the settings, choose a folder where you want to save the FBX file on your computer. Click the Export FBX button to complete the export process. After exporting the model, reopen the Windows Start menu and type Unity into the search bar. Select the Unity software from the top search result and wait for Unity to fully launch. Inside Unity Hub or the Project Selection menu, choose the Unity project where you want to use the car model. Wait for the Unity project to finish loading completely before continuing. Locate the exported FBX car file on your computer using File Explorer. Drag the FBX file directly into the Assets panel inside Unity. Wait until the car model appears successfully in the Assets menu. Finally, drag the car model from the Assets panel into the main scene view. The car model will now appear inside your Unity scene and is ready for further editing or gameplay setup. At this stage, you can adjust the position, rotation, and scale of the car model in the Unity scene if needed. You may also add materials, textures, colliders, or scripts to prepare the vehicle for driving mechanics, animation, or gameplay features. Saving the Unity project afterward will keep imported files and scene changes secure.